Hello, welcome. Let us understand what is thread. These concepts are important in terms of performance engineering point of view. Imagine you have a program A. A program is nothing but set of instructions. Instruction 1, 2, 3. It can have many instructions. And when these instructions are executed, it will create a process. And the process can have multiple threads, and some processes can also have a single thread or a one thread. It is called single threaded process. And if there are more than one thread in a process, it is called multi-threaded process. Here the thread is smallest unit of execution within a process. In a process, the smallest unit of execution is called thread. Here, if you can see, once you write an instruction, it will be on the disk, your program. Once the program starts execution, it will be loaded into the RAM, and then these processes in turn will create a thread. If it is a multi-threaded process, there will be multiple threads created. If it is a single threaded process, it will have just one thread. So thread is smallest unit of execution within a process. We can also call it as a basic unit of CPU utilization. Let us understand thread with a real life example. Imagine you are in a restaurant. There are multiple chefs in the kitchen. Each chef focuses on specific tasks. Like one chops the vegetables, another one cooks the main dish, another one prepares the dessert. They all work at the same time. We can call this as thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, right? They all work at the same time but on the different parts of the meal, so that this will speed up the overall process. We can call this all together as a process. Let us understand concept of thread with another example. Here in the shopping cart process, adding item to a cart can be one thread, and updating the price here can be another thread, right? And saving the item to the cart can be one more thread, like this, right? And here search can be a process, and in the search, fetching the item from the database can be a one thread, and filtering the search result can be another thread, and displaying the result can be another thread, right? Like this, one process can have multiple threads. This is the concept of thread. Thank you for watching.